Hello children, hope you all are very fine, and in this video we will learn how Pythagoras theorem is proved. We have used Pythagoras theorem number of times to solve the questions, but in this video we will see how it is proved. So let us start then. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. This is the statement. So first draw a right angle triangle here. This is a right angle triangle ABC. ABC, where B is right angle. So what is given here? Given that ABC, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which angle B is equals to 90 degree. This is given. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, equals to square of sum of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. This is the relation we have to prove. For proving that, we have to perform a construction here. What is the construction? We have to perform a construction. We have to draw a perpendicular on the hypotenuse from its opposite vertex, like that. Name it D. This is the construction we have to perform, that is a perpendicular on AC from its opposite vertex. Write it down. Draw BD. Draw BD perpendicular on AC. BD perpendicular on AC. Now, how we will prove that? What relation is used to prove this relation? Prove this theorem. We know that we will use the rules of similarity. To prove this theorem, we will use the rules of similarity. This is very important part, and this is the main part of the theorem. See what similar triangle says: when in a right angle triangle, when a perpendicular is drawn from the opposite vertex to the hypotenuse. A perpendicular is drawn on the hypotenuse from its opposite vertex. The perpendicular divides the main triangles into two parts, and the smaller triangles is similar to each other. Also, the smaller triangles are similar to the main triangle. I am repeating it again. When a perpendicular is drawn on the hypotenuse of the opposite side of the right angle triangle, the perpendicular divides the main triangle into two smaller triangles, and both the smaller triangles are similar to each other. Also, the smaller triangles are similar to main triangle. So we will use this relation. First, we will take triangle ABC, a big triangle and a small triangle. What is the name of big triangle? It is ABC. So in triangle ABC, and take one smaller triangle. ABC is the big triangle. Take ABD. In triangle ABD, what is the rules of similarity? The corresponding ratio of corresponding parts are equal. In similar triangle, ratio of corresponding parts are equal. Means in both triangle, what will happen? AB, the perpendicular of big triangle by perpendicular of a small triangle, AB over AD, equals to hypotenuse of the big triangle AC by hypotenuse of the smaller triangle AB. AB is the hypotenuse of another triangle. AB is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So now what the relation we get? AB square cross multiplying, we will get AB square AB equals to AD into AC or AC into AD. This is the relation 1. Again, we will take the big triangle and another smaller triangle. In triangle, this is relation 1. Again, in triangle ABC and the another smaller triangle BDC. Ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So base of the triangle ABC, that is BC, base of the big triangle BC by base of the small triangle AD, base of the small triangle BDC, and which is DC, by hypotenuse of the big triangle, that is AC, hypotenuse of the smaller triangle BC. So what we will get? We will get cross multiplying, we will get BC squared equals to AC into DC, AC into DC. This is relation 2. Cross multiplying, we will get BC square equal to AC into DC. This is relation 2. Now we will add these two relations. We will add these two relations, that is AB square, adding 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, we will get left hand side AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square, and right hand side AC into AD plus AC into DC, AC into DC, AC common out, so this becomes AC into AD plus DC, AD plus DC, and AD plus DC is equals to what? AD plus DC equals to AC, AD plus DC equals to AC. So we will write AD plus DC equals to AC. Means this becomes AC into AC. So ultimately we will write AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. This is the required relation we had to prove. How we have proved that? We have used rules of similarity for proving this equation. What is the rule? When a perpendicular is drawn on the hypotenuse from its opposite side, the perpendicular divides the main triangle into two smaller triangles, and both the triangles are similar to each other. Also, the smaller triangles are similar to the big triangle. This is the rule, and we have used this rule to solve this relation. This is called Pythagoras theorem, where the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of other two sides. So this is the relation. Hope you have got how this theorem is proved.